Film Independent Universal Production Services, a creative home for all independent production, 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 sorry, production Atlanta, Assembly Studios, menu, tax, acting, awards, directing, interviews, screenwriting, TV writing, voiceover, narration, film independent, film independent, Monday 11/24 2025. Before acting character with incisive, incisive and witty inner monologue, a master class with Murderbot co-showrunners Paul Weitz and Spirit Awards winner Chris Weitz. Basu Fanda, one of the most delightful series to premiere this summer. Murderbot is a witty, quirky, cu- quirky, quirky, science fiction dramedy, dramedy that explores thought-provoking themes under the guise of a breezy and surprisingly charming narrative about that it means to be human. The most expected element, it is told entirely through the lens, quite literally, 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 quite, quite literally, of security unread or security that calls itself Murderbot, adapted from Martha Wells. Martha Wells' science fiction books, The Murderbot Diaries, the Apple TV series is written and directed by brothers and Oscars nominees for About a Boy, Chris and Paul Weitz. Paul Weitz. Chris is also a Spirit Awards winner. Spirit Awards winner for the Lulu Wang directed Chinese family drama The Farewell. Chile Pore. Since the unit is issued by the corporation RIM, a group of mega corporations ruling the galaxy in the distant future, are sentient conflict obedience to human orders is guaranteed by the governor module in each unit. However, Margaret Alexander Skarsgård, who named Nabbit an Emmy for his intricate and chilling performance in the HBO series Big Little Lies, figures out how to disable its module to gain autonomy. Motherboard, Motherboard is sentient from the get-go. It's basically a slavery narrative. It's so important to Martha that Motherboard was always sentient, sentient, sentient. ఏందే కేటీన్స్టెడ్ ఏం చదువుకురా లాంగోడికి అయితే ఈ అబ్బా నా చెవులకి ఎక్కుతలేదు అసలు వినబడతలేదు ఇంత స్పీడ్ అవుతాను మళ్ళీ బరాబర్ చదువుతాను ఈ తెలియపాడు అన్నారా ఇంత స్పీడ్ అవుతావురా లాంగోడిక ఏం చదువుకున్నావురా ఏ ఆయా పోరే నాకు కొద్దిగా మైండ్ మంచి లేక చదువుకుంటానా క్రిస్టెస్ ఆఫ్ ద లక్ ఏందే క్రిస్టెస్ ఆఫ్ ద క్లోజ్ అబ్బా collaboration with consulting producer Wells. Electric units are under human control. Yeah, they can think for themselves, but can't act for themselves. అప్పో చిల్లేని అబ్బా పురిలే దొంగరాయమ్మడా మరి నేను మధ్యలో తాను నేను ఇయర్స్ చూసుకుంటే should they experience this this torture of being at the disposal of others. In addition to exploring themes of humanity and free will, the series also calls into question the issue of personhood. As Paul notes, to what degree are we going to grant personhood to non-human intelligence? A very timely exploration of that a future permitted by AI might look like. Mandelbrot wisely supports the tropes by discarding the robot killing machine stereotype. The world the matter less out of dismal in terms of the extraction of labor and the abuse of sentient constructs. The dystopian angle has been done really well. There's no point in trying to do that. So we wanted to make a different approach. Chris explains, adding that one thing we liked about Natas books was that it wasn't a story about an AI that wants to be like human or to dominate humans. It's about a different kind of person and what the person wants to do and how they figure it out. Paul considers on the one end we have Pinocchio, a non-human thing that wants to be human, and we have the Terminator which wants to kill everybody, but Motherboard is a third variation. In fact, it does not eager to be human at all, let alone control destroy humanity. We tend to underestimate our foresight over things. In reality, some of the interactions with chatbots, this was utter incompetence and with awareness. So I think AI is going to have neurons just like human sites. Wow. Motherboard official trailer, Apple TV, Motherboard, watch on YouTube. Motherboard's next segment is to protect a group of hippie scientists from an egalitarian society on an expedition to a hostile planet plagued by flesh-eating centipede creatures and other threats. Led by terraforming expert Dr. Mensa Noma Dumez, the crew includes wormhole scientist Rati Achikana and argumentaire human Guratin David Dust Malchian, who is immediately suspicious of their security since Motherboard's new phone anatomy has to remain a secret, or it risks being melted down for spare parts. It pretends to be unresponsive